Welcome back, everybody. It's been a minute since I posted a video, but I want to show some of the things that have happened since the last video. So I bought this one, Selecta Biosciences SELB, as a momentum play because it just started going crazy. And when I bought in 338, it was pretty much the peak. And then I should have probably just sold out. It was more of like a day trade, swing trade, but it's been interesting journey since then. Also, as you can see, I bought into ADMP for my last video. I don't really love the sub-dollar stocks, but I still got a few days till the catalyst date, and it's been a weird one. A lot of peaks and valleys here, but a negative downtrend. So yeah, we'll kind of see what happens there. I still have my eye on AQST. Made some money on that stock for sure. It's been trending up for sure, but if you look at the 3-month, I mean, it was beaten down. It was up to around the $9 range. So I'm still keeping my eye on that. There's a sign on the 3-month chart of a positive uptrend at the end. The 1-month definitely, the 1 week, same, except for today. So it's only a decrease of 1.24% though. So I've got my eye on that. Also, Beyond Meat just had a earnings issue, so they're way down, and I've actually traded them, let's see, a couple different times, bought and sold, made some money on it, not a ton, but looking at this as an entry point, we'll see what tomorrow brings, because I mean, they got beaten down pretty hardcore. If you look at the 1 week, the 1 month, they were up here. They were $200, so they almost lost half their value. So, I mean, that's getting back about a month, but still, they were running up to earnings. I mean, look at this, 120 August, summer, 125. So, kind of looking at that, I think that there's going to be a clear rebounding. Could totally be wrong too. I mean, we'll see what happens. Also today, very interesting, the pot stocks, ACB is the most famous. They recently ran up massively due to the election news and legalization across the board talks, things like that. But I'm looking for, plays where I can kind of capitalize on this. There's a bunch of them. Hexo is a very small cap one, but it ran up quite a bit. I mean, look at where it was, 62, 63 cents, 64 cents. Even the 1 month, it dipped down, jumped up, just crazy gains here, crazy gains. So that's another one I'm kind of looking at. I do have a stake in a few stocks. I'm seeing if I'm going to sell. One of them is CCL, Carnival Cruise Lines, jumped up massively. I bought it, let's see, when did I actually buy this thing? Its 52-week high is 51.94. Its low is, 7.80, and that's nothing. So made some money on it. Look at, total return. I wish I would have put more money into it. Almost 60% return. Don't know if I want to sell it yet. I think it could possibly increase. Another one is American Airlines. I bought into too. Massively jumped up due to the vaccine news. Delta Airlines bought into as well earlier during the COVID, but I'm still in the red on that one. So we'll see what happens in regards to that. But as far as what I've sold, I sold this today. I sold Ford Motor. It's been running up a little bit during the week, the month. 3 month, down for the year still. But I know we focus a lot on biotech stocks, but also, your standards, Ford beat earnings a little bit. And, it's one of those things that I bought it in February, and, I made, made a little over 26 bucks on it. But it's the percentage gain that matters. So it was a little over like 13.5% gain for that. So you may say, well, dude, like $26.52, who cares? But let's just say, for instance, I put $1,000 instead of almost 200. You're talking about, it's easy math. You make 135 bucks. Invest 10,000 in it. That's how a lot of people do their deal. Is they follow stocks, like let's say Ford. Let's go back to the top. The 1 year, I mean, you can't really count this. It's been a weird year for like analyzing trends because of the coronavirus. But let's go back 5 years. I mean, we're in a consistent downtrend, but there's pockets where, like, let's just say you purchased at 11.16, sold out at here. Obviously you can't totally predict, but let's just say you bought in down here 7.85, sold at 8.86. I mean, if you put enough money down, the percentage gains, you're going to make some money. So that's kind of what we're dealing with right now. And please give a like and a subscribe if you found this helpful, and peace out.